Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into kit. 13 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Livery, which means a special uniform worn by a servant, an official, or a member of a city company. Livery. For example, yeoman of the guard wearing a royal red and gold livery. Number 2. Stuff, which means a person's belongings, equipment, or baggage. Stuff. For example, he took his stuff and went. Number 3. Strip, which means the identifying outfit worn by the members of a sports team while playing. Strip. For example, he led out an England team sporting a new strip. Number 4. Attire, which means clothes, especially fine or formal ones. Attire. For example, the usually sober attire of British Security Service personnel. Number 5. Clothing, which means clothes collectively. Clothing. For example, they were wearing dark clothing. Number 6. Get up, which means a style or arrangement of dress, especially an elaborate or unusual one. Get up. For example, her ridiculous Cossacks get up. Number 7. Dress, which means clothing of a specified kind for men or women. Dress. For example, traditional African dress. Number 8. Apparel, which means clothing. Apparel. For example, they were dressed in bright apparel. Number 9. Clothes, which means items worn to cover the body. Clothes. For example, he stripped off his clothes. Number 10. Costume, which means a set of clothes in a style typical of a particular country or historical period. Costume. For example, authentic Elizabethan costumes. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.